Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use Google Search as grammar mistakes checking tool for any smartphone or computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a computer, so if you're using a smartphone also, still the tricks will remain the same. So if you're using a Android or iOS smartphones, then you can use either a Google applications or you can use any web browser. So right now I'm using a computer, so I'm gonna use a web browser. So just open any web browser and just open this website www.google.com, and on the Google search bar say I will write one sentence. So I have written say I will go home, and after that just add this grammar check. After every sentence just add this grammar check. You need to add this word after every sentence which you want to check for grammar mistakes. So after that just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now you can see on the above, you can see here I will go home is perfectly right. As you can see the tick mark indication, if you don't see a tick mark indication, that means there is some grammar mistake. So say just I will try to delete this. I will go home and let it check if it is right or wrong. So you can see here there is no tick mark indication. That means it should be like I am going home or I will go home. It should be like that. So it's saying what is the correct one. So by using this simple method, you can use a Google Search as grammar mistakes checking tool for any smartphone or computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.